Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change your air filter on a Mercedes Sprinter. This is a 2.1 liter OM646 and you need a 7 mm to take this off. You might need a screwdriver as well to pull the airbox out. I just like to pull this out first. And from here there's two U-clips that you'll see. You just lift this up from here and pull forward. Those U-clips there, they just slide out from there. Once you have the airbox removed, as I showed you how it's removed, now we can go ahead and open all the Torx screws all around the airbox. This will gain us access to the air filter inside. You need a T25 Torx to open up the screws. A little tip, if your screws are a bit rusty, spray them down with the penetrating fluid and open it by hand, not with a power tool. Once you have all your front screws removed, there's little clips here at the back. All you have to do is lift up the front and pull forward. They're just little U-clips. Now you have access to your filter and you can go ahead and replace it. I always recommend cleaning all of this up. Check both sides. Make sure it's clean before you put your new air filter in. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe as it really helps me out. Cheers everyone.